What's up, beautiful people? My name is Michelle Davis, and if you're seeing me for the first time, I am a business startup and growth strategist. I am the founder of Marketing Gem Solutions and Phenomenal Boss Academy. And in this video, I want to talk business systems. I want to share with you, what systems are, why you need them, the type of systems you may want to consider having in your business, and how to implement them. So let's get started. So when you think of systems, you may be wondering, what are systems and why do you need them in your business, right? So systems are simply processes for you to not just, get started, but to organize and manage your business. Your systems will, dictate how you operate, what tools you're using in your business, what process you use for different functions within your business. But also, most importantly, or probably equally as important, is your systems are going to be able to help someone else know what your business does. So as you grow and as you move along in your business, eventually you want to hire, whether it's a freelancer or you want to hire a team or someone else to support your business. And even if you don't have someone that, even if you're not at the point where you're hiring or having someone support you in your business, you still want to have processes in place so that you can manage your business in an organized way. And in regards to team members and having someone, help you, if there's no systems, there's nothing for them to replicate. They don't know what you're doing. It creates chaos, and everything can't be in your brain when it comes down to, your how you operate. You have to create these systems, you have to put them on paper, and you have to have a system that anyone can walk into and be able to pick up that standard operating procedure manual that you created for your business and be able to, run your marketing or, hire that team member for you. So it's very important, and that's why you want systems. So what type of system should you have? So when you think about coaching business, I'll stick to coaching because that's what the focus of Phenomenal Boss Academy is. So when you think about a coaching business, you could think about, well, how do I acquire clients? What is my process? What is my marketing process? When I get clients, what do I do with them? You don't just kind of sit them in front of the other side of Zoom and send them a Zoom link, and that's your process for onboarding your clients. So you have to think thoughtfully about how you want your business to operate, but also you want to, get that on paper, what's working, what's your best practices. And, this will allow anyone that comes in to help you with your business, and even you to remember what works as you're trying different things. When you're starting your business, you're trying different things to kind of figure out what does work. And so you want to capture what works and allow someone else to replicate your results. So how do you implement systems in your business? Even if you don't have any systems right now, well, it's simple. You start. So you start by looking at every single process of your business, everything from your lead generation to your marketing to, how you're bringing in your clients. What do you do with your clients? Are you having kind of like an orientation with them where you kind of, have a goal gathering moment with them? Are you, where you kind of sit down and say, what are your goals? What are your expectations for my coaching services? And you share with them what you provide. Are there documents they need to sign? Those are all part of the systems you want to think about. Do you have those in place? How and start writing out what your process is. And that is how you get started. And, create manualize your process as well, because, yes, it's great to have it written down, but you don't want things written down randomly on pieces of paper. You want your systems and your processes documented in a standard operating manual that is very organized and, both for yourself and your team. So I hope this video helps you get your systems in place and document them and be able to grow and help your team achieve the results that you expect out of them. So with that being said, I hope this video helps you.